Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join Clickbank affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type in Clickbank affiliate and hit enter. After you hit enter, you will see the first result that will be www.clickbank.com. So click on affiliates-clickbank and you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, you will have to basically scroll at the bottom, and when you scroll at the bottom, you will have to click on this affiliates program that says earn with Clickbank. So head over to the footer section of your website and click on affiliates. So on this page, you'll have to click on the start here button at the top. When you click on that button, you will see a page that says let's customize your Clickbank experience. So on this page, you'll have to click on skip this quick start guide and you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, you'll have to sign up for an account. So choose your country in this field, type in your first name, your last name, phone number, email address and create a password. After you fill out these fields, scroll down and click on continue to terms and conditions. Now you can read out the terms and conditions. If you don't wish to do that, simply click on join Clickbank. After you click on join Clickbank, you will be promoted to this page where it says, wait, new affiliates are using Accelerator to build funnels and start making sales in just few clicks. So you can click on learn more about this Accelerator, or you can also click on no thanks, continue to sign up. So I will select no thanks and I'll be logged into my Clickbank affiliate account. On this page, you will receive a notification that will say download suppression list and accept. So click on this link and this will download an XML file onto your PC. Cut this out and this is my Clickbank affiliates dashboard. Now on this page, you have some settings such as dashboard, affiliate marketplace, profile and support. So click on profile and you will be on this page. Now you'll have to complete your profile. You can click on change password to change your password. You can change your email address. You can click on affiliate marketplace and you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, you will learn everything about Clickbank affiliate marketing. Scroll down and see all the frequently asked questions. Learn about top offers, new offers, health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing and much more. So that's how you can join Clickbank affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.